Today, I'm talking about the top myths surrounding this topic of your life's purpose. And I'm going to share exactly what it is and why you want to make sure you are on the right path to living yours. So, a purpose is why you are on this planet, how you're meant to serve others. A purpose will always light you up, really excite you to be doing it. So, you're going to get the most fulfillment and enjoyment out of your life by finding and living your purpose. And your purpose will always serve others. So, this is how you were meant to show up and help humanity. So, you want to figure that out. Most people think that they need to figure it out when they graduate high school, and then they're kind of stuck in that track. And that is not true. Your purpose can change over the course of your life. You could have several on your journey. And what you are called forward to do when you're 60 or 80 is going to be very different than when you were 20, right? Because you have different life experience and knowledge and acquaintances and creative ideas. It's going to look very different. Not to mention, there's different industries and opportunities just constantly evolving. So you need to stay open to where you may be led next. There's a lot of transition going on the planet right now. Everywhere you look, things are kind of chaotic and things are changing. And there's going to be some new ways that might call to you, a new path you might be curious and want to explore. And I want to encourage you to do that because this is the time for us to help humanity move into its next chapter and to heal. And there's going to be new and exciting ways that you could do that to help set up systems and structures that will support us rather than just a select few. A lot of exciting things going on. Stay open. Just because you've been doing something or had an idea for the last 20 years that you might do, you can change your mind. We always have free choice. You can explore different ideas and then decide, do I want to do this or do I want to just do what I've always done? Just be curious and explore. A lot of people think that they need to be living their purpose now. And that's not the case either, because we will have what's called a life's path that is intended to get you to your purpose. So you may have to spend 10 or 15 years acquiring skills and knowledge and meeting the right people, walking into the right opportunities, and having doors open along the way that eventually lead you, as if by magic, to your life's purpose. You may not get there overnight, but that's okay because along the way, that path will be joyful. You can enjoy it, you can serve others along the way, and just keep staying curious and following the breadcrumbs. Let me know in comments how long it took you to figure out your life's purpose or if you're still searching for it, and I'll see you on the next video.